Welcome to our executive report on chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or COPD, therapeutics and diagnostics from 2025 to 2030. We have analyzed the competitive landscape and emerging technologies shaping this market, providing insights into key opportunities and challenges. This report covers the global market and provides a snapshot of the current situation and future trends. The global COPD therapeutics market was valued at approximately $19.5 billion in 2024. It is projected to reach around $26.7 billion by 2030, growing at a compound annual growth rate or CAGR of about 5.4%. The COPD diagnostics market is also expanding due to the increasing global burden of COPD, aging populations, and advancements in diagnostic technology. Let's delve into the drivers, top 5 global innovators, product due diligence, as well as economic valuation and forecast. Technology push and market pull are the main drivers for COPD therapeutics. Technology push includes novel inhalation therapies such as long-acting bronchodilators or LABAs, inhaled corticosteroids or ICSS, and optimized combination inhalers. There's also emerging biologics targeting inflammatory pathways in COPD, particularly anti-IL-5 and anti-IL-13 agents aimed at eosinophilic COPD phenotypes. Advancements in digital and AI-powered diagnostics, including remote monitoring devices and smart inhalers, also contribute. Early-stage research into regenerative and cell therapies for lung tissue repair further expands the technological horizon. Market pull is driven by several factors. Firstly, rising prevalence of COPD worldwide due to aging populations and environmental factors like pollution. Secondly, the significant unmet need for disease-modifying therapies beyond symptom relief. Thirdly, growing acceptance and reimbursement for biologic therapies in clinical guidelines. And fourthly, increasing demand for patient-centric care models, including user-friendly inhalers and remote disease management solutions. Now let's explore the top 5 global innovators in COPD therapeutics and diagnostics. AstraZeneca has a strong COPD franchise with key products like Symbicort, an ICS, LABA inhaler, 𝗬𝗎𝗎𝗓, a LABA inhaler, and Fasenra, a benralizumab, which is an anti-IL-5R alpha biologic. In 2024, their COPD sales reached approximately $4.2 billion, with Symbicort contributing around $3.1 billion, Fasenra around $1.1 billion. Their patents and exclusivity for Symbicort expired around 2020 in the US and EU, but device patents extend exclusivity to 2027. Fasenra benefits from biologic exclusivity till 2035 in the US with patents extending to 2037. 𝗬𝗎𝗎𝗓's patents extend until approximately 2030. AstraZeneca's value proposition includes offering a broad therapy range covering multiple COPD phenotypes and severity levels, including first-in-class biologics targeting eosinophilic COPD. GSK has 𝗓𝗓𝗓, a triple therapy inhaler combining ICS, LABA, LAMA, and nucala, a mepolizumab, which is an anti-IL-5 biologic. In 2024, COPD sales reached approximately $5.7 billion, with 𝗓𝗓𝗓 contributing around $4.3 billion and nucala around $1.4 billion. 𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗓's patents last until between 2032 and 2030, with data exclusivity through 2029 in the EU. Nucala holds biologic exclusivity through 2033 in the US, with patents expiring around 2035. GSK's value proposition includes a once-daily triple therapy that improves adherence and biologic expansion into eosinophilic COPD beyond asthma. Boehringer Ingelheim has Spiriva Respimat, and LAMA inhaler, and rifamycin, a nebulized LAMA. In 2024, COPD sales reached around $4.2 billion, with Spiriva generating around $3.8 billion and rifamycin around $0.4 billion United States dollars. 𝗧𝗛𝗣𝗑 primary patents expired in 2023, but device patents extend exclusivity till 2028. Revefenacin patents remain valid through 2030, with regulatory exclusivity lasting 5 years after approval. Boehringer Ingelheim's value proposition includes 𝗧𝗛𝗣𝗑, which maintains market dominance through brand loyalty and device innovation, while revefenacin expands the market with nebulized therapy for severe COPD patients. Novartis has 𝗙𝗢𝗡𝗢𝗓, LABA combination, and 𝗠𝗔𝗥𝗡𝗢𝗓, LABA monotherapy. In 2024, COPD sales reached approximately 1.7 billion United States dollars. Patents on formulations and delivery devices expire between 2028 and 2032. Regulatory exclusivity extends to 2027 in the US and 2029 in the EU. Novartis' value proposition focuses on utilizing the 𝗬𝗓𝗔𝗦𝗧 platform for efficient lung delivery targeting maintenance therapy in COPD. Mylan and Viatris offer generic versions of ICS, LABA, LAMA therapies, and biosimilars. In 2024, COPD sales reached approximately 0.7 billion United States dollars. Generics hit the market after branded drugs lose patent, while biosimilars follow strict rules. Mylan and Viatris offer affordable options, leveraging patent expirations to increase market share. We have also analyzed the diagnostics market, which primarily relies on spirometry, the gold standard for diagnosis and monitoring, as well as imaging like CT scans and X-rays. Emerging technologies include AI-powered spirometry interpretation, home-based monitoring devices, and integration of digital inhaler sensors with electronic health records. Based on our analysis, we estimate that the 5 key players' COPD assets will be valued as follows. AstraZeneca COPD assets are projected to exceed $5.5 billion by 2030, with an estimated net present value or NPV of around 28 billion United States dollars. GSK COPD assets are expected to grow to between 7.2 and 7.5 billion by 2030, with an estimated value of around 30 billion United States dollars. Boehringer Ingelheim's COPD assets are projected to increase to 4.5 to 5.0 billion by 2030, with an estimated value of around 20 billion United States dollars. Novartis' COPD assets are expected to grow to 2.0 to 2.3 billion by 2030, with an asset valuation of around 9 billion United States dollars, and Mylan and Viatris' COPD assets are expected to reach beyond 1.5 billion by 2030, with estimated asset value near 5 billion United States dollars. Looking ahead, maintaining regulatory exclusivity and navigating patent landscapes will be crucial for sustaining value in the coming years. Continuous innovation in therapy diagnostics will shape the COPD treatment paradigm, offering better outcomes for patients worldwide. If you found this report valuable, please consider subscribing for more insightful industry reports. Your support helps us deliver quality content and drive innovation in the life sciences. Thank you and see you next time.